Are you looking for the best stable standing desks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best standing desks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. FinerCrafts 55-inch dual-motor standing desk. First on our list of the most stable standing desks is the FinerCrafts dual-motor electric standing desk. It is a solid, well-built choice that can handle heavy-duty weights and is backed by an outstanding warranty. The first thing you notice with this model is the spacious ergonomically shaped black desktop. It measures 55 by 28 inches, therefore, it's suitable for setups with multiple monitors. Because the worktop is made from MDF, it is highly resistant to scratches, water, and oil stains. The desk is also available in other styles such as white, maple, and walnut. What really makes this desk stand out is the frame strength and manufacturer's warranty. The frame is made from industrial-grade steel and has an excellent maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds. FinerCrafts gives buyers peace of mind with their 10-year warranty on all parts of the desk. Dual lifting motors ensure a smooth, stable, fast, and quiet lifting process that can be activated with the touch of a button. Users can regulate the desk's height between 28 and 47 inches and save their favorite heights to one of 4 customizable height presets. All things considered, the FinerCrafts dual-motor standing desk is a viable option for anyone looking for an electric standing desk. It's highly durable, and the brand only backs this with their warranty. We highly recommend it. At number 2. Who dual-motor 48-inch electric standing desk. Second on our list of the most stable standing desks is our best value choice, the Who dual-motor electric standing desk. This one offers a sturdy steel frame, a long warranty, and a stylish worktop. However, it's much more affordable compared to other heavy-duty standing desks. First and foremost, the worktop of this desk is finished in a beautiful walnut style, made from thick laminated wood. It is highly water and scratch resistant and measures 48 inches long and 24 inches wide. The main reason we chose this standing desk as one of the most stable is the weight it can handle. The steel thick frame has an outstanding maximum weight capacity of 281 pounds, which is very high compared to numerous options on the market priced similarly. The excellent weight capacity is further backed by the brand's respectable 5-year manufacturer's warranty on all desk parts. Like most sturdy standing desks, this Who model has 2 electric lifting motors. This makes the lifting process much smoother and less quiet. The 3-stage lifting mechanism allows users to set the height of the desk to as low as 24.8 inches and as high as 50.4 inches. The extensive height adjustment range makes the desk suitable for taller people. Overall, this Who standing desk is not only affordable, but it also has similar specifications to industry-leading desks, making it one of the most stable standing desks on the market. Definitely, another option worth considering. At number 3. Fully Jarvis Black Bamboo Electric Standing Desk. Next up is our premium pick, a desk from the top of the stack. When it comes to standing desks, the Fully Jarvis Bamboo Electric Standing Desk. Fully Jarvis is one of the best standing desks brands. Their desks are designed for heavy-duty use and come with some of the most extended warranties we have seen. Let's start with why we included it as one of the most sturdy options. Firstly, the maximum weight capacity is 350 pounds, which is the highest on the market. Secondly, Fully Jarvis offers an outstanding 15-year warranty on all their desks, an industry-leading length. Simply put, you can expect this desk to last. With the help of 2 powerful lifting motors, the desk's height can be adjusted smoothly and quietly. Users can set the height between 22.9 and 42.9 inches, making it ideal for shorter people. All in all, this Fully Jarvis desk is certainly a premium, high-quality standing desk. If we had to choose the most sturdy standing desk, it would be it. It's built to last, and the warranty backs this. Highly recommended. Watch this video for an honest review of the full Jarvis Bamboo Standing Desk. At number 4. Eureka Ergonomic L-shaped Standing Desk. Fourth on our list is a stable standing desk ideal for gamers. the Eureka Ergonomic L-shaped dual-motor standing desk. It offers a reliable, sturdy frame combined with gaming looks. To begin with, the main reason we chose this desk for our guide is the strength of its carbon steel frame. With a remarkable maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds, it is one of the most stable options on the market. Additionally, it is complemented by a decent 3-year manufacturer's warranty on all parts of the desk. If you are interested in more L-shaped desk options, make sure to read our best L-shaped standing desks guide. The worktop of this desk has an L-shaped surface and gaming style. As a bonus, Eureka Ergonomic includes a large gaming mousepad with every purchase. In total, the work surface area measures 61 by 43.7 inches. Made from P2 particle board, it is highly resistant to water and scratches and meets low-emission carb regulations. Thanks to 2 powerful lifting motors, the desk's height can be adjusted between 29.9 and 48.8 inches. Users can save their favorite heights to 4 customizable height presets. If you are a gamer and are interested in more desks like this one, make sure to check out our best standing desks for the gaming guide. At number 5. ApexDesk 71-inch Elite Series Standing Desk. Last but not least, on our list of the most stable standing desks is our recommended choice for dual and triple monitor setups, the ApexDesk 71-inch Elite Series Standing Desk. First and foremost, ApexDesk is known for the high quality of its standing desks, and this one is no exception. With a maximum weight capacity of 235 pounds, and amongst the most stable on the market. Additionally, it comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. The worktop of this Elite Series model is made from durable MDF, and has an ergonomic shape. It is finished in a modern hardwood look style, but it's also available in numerous other color options. By far, the most significant advantage of this model is its size. The work surface is enormous, measuring 71 inches long and 33 inches wide, making it ideal for dual and triple monitor setups. Like most sturdy standing desks, this Elite Series model has 2 powerful lifting motors, enabling a smooth and quiet lifting process. Users can regulate the desktop height between 29 and 49 inches with the touch of a button. The only disadvantages of this desk are the lack of additional features and the premium price you have to pay for the high quality. Overall, the ApexDesk AX71 is one of the most stable standing desks on the market and a viable choice if you can afford it.